Detecting life on Mars. The next generation of astrobiology missions. What if I told you that humans are closer than ever to answering one of the biggest questions in history? Are we alone in the universe? For decades, scientists have looked at Mars and wondered, did life ever exist there? Today, thanks to advanced technology and new missions, we are closer than ever to finding the answer. In this video, let's explore how scientists are searching for life on Mars and what the next generation of astrobiology missions is all about. So first, why Mars? Billions of years ago, Mars was very different from the dry, red planet we see today. Scientists believe Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. And where there is water, there is a possibility of life. Mars is also close to Earth and easier to explore compared to other planets. That's why it has become the main target in the search for alien life. What kind of life are we looking for? Now, when we talk about life on Mars, we are not talking about aliens walking around or flying UFOs. Scientists are mostly searching for microbial life, tiny organisms like bacteria. These kinds of life forms existed on Earth billions of years ago, even before humans. If life ever started on Mars, it probably looked very simple, microscopic, and hidden underground. Current missions, right now. NASA's Perseverance rover is one of the most important missions on Mars. Perseverance is exploring an ancient river delta called Jezero Crater. This place was once filled with water, making it a perfect spot to search for signs of life. The rover is doing something very important. It is collecting rock and soil samples. These samples may contain chemical clues, called biosignatures, that could show signs of ancient life. In the future, these samples will be brought back to Earth for detailed study. Next generation astrobiology missions. Now let's talk about what's coming next. Future missions will use smarter robots, better drills, and advanced instruments. Some missions will drill deep below the surface, where life could still be protected from radiation. Scientists are also planning missions that can. There are even ideas for human missions to Mars, which could allow much deeper exploration. Why this matters. So why is finding life on Mars such a big deal? If we discover that life once existed on Mars, it would mean that life is not unique to Earth. It would change how we understand the universe and our place in it. It could also help us learn how life begins and survives in extreme conditions, which may help us search for life on other planets too. Conclusion: Mars still holds many secrets beneath its dusty surface. With each new mission, we are getting closer to uncovering the truth, whether life once existed or still exists on Mars. The next generation of astrobiology missions could finally give us the answer to one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Are we truly alone? Or not?